Hello guys, I have located another error in the platform. As you know, I want to give you solutions as fast as I can. The error that I have found, it was saying, I'm going to also leave a print screen here, unknown error, the start time and or stop time should be given at adset level and not the campaign group. Hashtag 2446841. So basically what happened is that I was trying to go inside my campaigns to close some of the adsets. The adsets were not closing, they were just going in draft mode, and I couldn't publish this change, which was the close of the adset. So the workaround around this, of course, I tried everything, okay? I tried changing to CBO campaign, doing everything that you can imagine. The solution is very simple. The only reason that I'm doing the video is because I haven't thought it immediately. You are going to close the ad. Go and close the ad instead of the ad set, and then your ad set is not going to spend more because the ad is closed. It's a very simple solution. For me, this error disappeared after 2 days, so I'm guessing that if you're seeing it, most probably it's going to disappear. Now, if it's happening when you are trying to actually publish a new campaign and they go in draft mode and they give you this error, just duplicate the campaign and publish it again, and it's going to solve the error. I hope that it's going to help you. I know that the errors are countless and maybe it's a different situation for you. I'm just sharing how I solved the problem for my own accounts. I will see you in a future video.